There is a very old and popular recipe that uses egg as the base of a hair care mask. It is well known for its nourishing, moisturizing, and strengthening benefits. We are going to use a whole egg. Or just the yolk if you have very dry hair, or just the white if you have very oily hair. We beat it very well, either by hand or with a mixer, until it gets nice and creamy and turns a lighter yellow. Egg is rich in proteins that strengthen the hair and prevent breakage. It contains vitamins A, D, and E that nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. Egg yolk is an excellent source of biotin, a vitamin that helps prevent hair loss. The lecithin present in the egg helps to hydrate and soften the hair. Now let's add a tablespoon of organic honey. Honey acts as a natural conditioner, leaving the hair soft, silky, and easy to manage. It will help detangle the hair and reduce static. It's especially beneficial for dry, damaged, or frizzy hair. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help cleanse the scalp and keep it healthy. We're also going to use a teaspoon of coconut oil. We can melt it so that it's liquid. Coconut oil has a molecular structure that allows it to deeply penetrate the hair fiber, nourishing it from within. And it's also an excellent moisturizer that helps retain moisture in the hair, preventing dryness and frizz. It will also add shine and softness. We beat everything well and mix all the ingredients together. I'd like to know which country you're writing from and which video has been your favorite. We invite you to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment with the topic you'd be most interested in me covering in the next video. If you don't have coconut oil or don't want to use this oil, you can use olive oil. It will have moisturizing properties and will add shine and softness. Then we transfer it to a container for our convenience. We can apply this mask with a brush or simply, for convenience, with our hands. We completely cover our hair and then massage it for a while. We let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes and wash as usual. It is recommended to do this treatment once or twice a week. Once this time has passed and we've washed our hair, we're going to comb it and style it as usual, and we'll immediately feel the softness and body our hair has gained. The only thing we need to be careful about is rinsing with lukewarm or cold water. Never use hot water because otherwise the egg could cook. As you can see, this mask is very easy to make, to apply, and to get immediate results from.